Even as engineers, female engineers, we found the reason why we should have a secondary source of income. And a lot of people don't know that because you do not want to depend on the one source. We are professionals, we earn really good, but we saw the value in being in the digital space to earn an additional source of income, isn't it?
Yes, you are completely right. Like we both work as engineers, and guess what? We met online.
Yeah.
And today we are both here
Meeting in person.
on a business convention.
Oh yeah, that's
you know,
right.
just to show you how real this business that we do online is. It's not about recruiting anybody,
No.
but we actually teach you how to use the exact same time that you're using right now on social media, watching us,
Yeah.
watching other people, and make money while doing that, right?
Yeah.
Isn't that great?
That is awesome. You're already on social media, so
Yes.
why not use the time
Yes.
and make good income from
I
it?
know, right?
We're mothers. We're also mothers, we're wives, and we're professionals. However, we are not depending on the one source of income because today's economy is not guaranteed.
Yes.
Everybody knows that every household needs to have a second source of income because you want to have a
Definitely.
fallback plan. You want to have that financial security. You want to protect your family against the fact that you lose your job and you don't have something to fall back to. So a plan B
Definitely.
is the way to go. We love our jobs. We make good income from our
Definitely.
jobs, but we saw a
Definitely.
good reason why we want to have a fallback plan so that we can plan ahead. You know,
Yes.
start to build our empire and start to build our dream homes and different things that we've always anticipated or dreamt of, isn't it?
Yes, definitely. You know, in this business here, anybody can do this.
Yes.
My sis Effie here, she's a mother, she's an engineer, she's a wife. I am not a mother, I'm not a wife, but guess what? I'm the firstborn in my family. I have siblings, I have people back home to help. And guess what? I still need that second stream of income. That's why I started this business, because on top of that, it is so flexible.
Yes.
It doesn't matter your career, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can do this business. We offer you everything you need to succeed.
Yeah.
Both of us, we are coaches in this community. So it can be Sis Ify being your coach, or I can be your coach, and we're gonna guide you all the way. You're not gonna be alone, and trust us, you're not gonna regret this.
No, even as immigrants, you know, we have to still take care of our families back home.
Yes,
we have to do
definitely.
a lot of that. The one source of income cannot do all of that for you. Come on in and let's show you how. This is
Yes.
not a business where you're talking to robots. This is a business where you're actually talking to actual people, like
Yes.
real people. We're
Definitely.
meeting for the first time in person.
Yes.
You know, and we're so excited, like, you know, seeing ourselves.
Yes.
And we've been on the digital space for several years. I've been in the business for 4 years, and you've been in the
I've been
business
here for 3 years.
there we go.
Yeah.
And we have been making good income from this.
Yes.
So this is something
5 figures a month we're
there
talking
we go.
about.
Strong
you know?
5 figures.
You know, more than what our jobs is giving us.
Oh, yeah.
You know,
Oh, yeah.
because we understand the power of multiple streams of income in today's economy.
Yeah.
So don't think too much.
No.
Click that button that you see and come inside and learn more about this business. And then you're gonna see for yourself.
Oh yeah.
See
So
you
let's show you
on
how
the
it's done.
inside.
We'll see you then.
See you.
Bye.
Bye.